our way down the left-hand navigation here, the first stop is contacts and groups. This is where you have your main contacts data. It's all stored here. You have your active contacts, your opt-out contacts, pending and invalid. So active contacts, these are people that you can send text messages to. Opt-out contacts, just the opposite. Those are people that no longer want to receive your text messages and have stopped. We also have pending contacts. These are folks that may have texted in but have not doubly confirmed that they want to be added to your list. So they remain pending until they confirm and then they'll become active. And then we have invalid contacts. These are folks that you try to send a message to their number and it's just not working, and we'll flag that number and set it as invalid. Now, we do things as a line item with controls off to the right. So I can click the button here and see my two account contacts, and then I have separate controls for each one of them. So I can edit a contact, add them to a group, send them a single text message, or start a texting conversation with them. I can opt them out or I can delete them. So you have a lot of inline controls for your each individual contact. Now, down below here, you can also create groups. And creating a group is simple as clicking Add Group. We'll give it a name like Group 4. We'll add that group, and now I have a new group available here in my account. So if I want to go back to my contacts, I can say, all right, we're going to take this individual and put them into Group 1 and to Group 4, and we're going to update that. Now you'll see this number has gone up, and this individual belongs to Groups 1 and 4. And again, you can hit the magnifying glass, see everybody that belongs in that group, or go back and look at another group. The other controls you have here are the ability to download any one of these groups. So if you want to download the information from Group 1, you can do that and then re-upload all those people into Group 2. You can also do this with your active contacts. And deleting a group is just as simple as clicking delete and removing that group from your account. Now, we're going to continue down the left-hand navigation. Under this, My Contacts, you also have the ability to search all contacts. And this is by first name, last name, email, or phone number. This search all will search your active, your opt-outs, your pendings, or your invalid. So this is a thorough search of everybody within your account. So you can come in here, and again, you have the same controls. I can edit, group them, message them, opt them out, or delete them. And then lastly, you have the ability here to also upload contacts. Now, with uploading contacts, you obviously have to make sure that all of your data is opted in, and you can prove that. So you never want to send text messages to anybody that have not opted in or not have agreed to receive text messages from you. So you would download our template here in step 1. We ask that you use the exact CSV template, and all you're going to do is leave everything on the template exactly as it is, and you're going to paste the data right under the correct column. Then here in step 2, you'll choose that file. You can even choose to put it into a group, and you can upload those contacts. So that's the My Contacts section and all the great things you can do there. One last piece that we'll share with this too is you can always add a single contact. So if somebody needs to be added to your list and you don't need to upload it, you can click Add a Contact here and simply add a single contact to your list.